Hi guys, Amy Gage, your Pamper Chef Consultant. I am making some white sangria, so I thought I would just show you how easy that is. I have got my quick stir pitcher. This is the small one. The big one is usually a little bit better, but I don't have the big one. So I'm gonna make a little bit of white sangria. So I've got in here some green apples, some peaches, some strawberries, and lime. And I'm going to pour in some white wine. I got some Pinot Grigio. So basically what we're gonna do is we're just gonna fill this up mostly with the wine. And then I also have a little bit of orange liqueur, some triple sec. I did about a quarter cup of that. So I'm gonna throw that in there too, give it a little extra punch. This is gonna take the whole bottle, so that's great. What I did was I put the fruit in with the plunger, like at the bottom first, and just tip the lid a little bit so I could fit the fruit in. So the fruit is on top of the plunger. I'm gonna give it a little bit of sweetness with some agave. You could use a simple syrup of sugar and water as well, but I wanna give it a little bit of sweetness. And so that's it for that. We're gonna stir that up a little bit, right? So we can mix those alcohols. And then we're gonna let this sit in the fridge, and right when you're ready to serve it, you wanna use a little ginger ale, a little 7-Up, a little seltzer water, something bubbly. But you don't wanna put it in now because it will go flat, okay? And then this works perfectly with pouring into our insulated wine tumblers. They have a nice rubber bottom, non-slip. They are insulated to keep it cold, and nice little lid that goes on top. You can use a straw or drink out of it. So these wine tumblers and the quick stir pitcher are a great combination for summer.